In an era defined by technological advancements and environmental consciousness, the concept of DIY or do-it-yourself has transcended its traditional boundaries to encompass innovative solutions for a sustainable future. This is particularly evident in the realm of renewable energy, where individuals are increasingly empowered to take control of their energy consumption and reduce their carbon footprint. Among the various DIY renewable energy projects, building a homemade wind turbine stands out as a tangible and rewarding endeavor. Harnessing the power of the wind, a ubiquitous and inexhaustible natural resource, wind turbines offer a clean and efficient means of generating electricity. While large-scale wind farms have become a familiar sight in many parts of the world, smaller DIY wind turbines have gained popularity as a viable option for residential use. These turbines, often constructed using readily available materials and basic tools, provide a practical and cost-effective way to supplement grid electricity or even power off-grid systems. The allure of building a wind turbine at home extends beyond the environmental benefits. It presents an opportunity to engage in a hands-on project, fostering a deeper understanding of renewable energy principles and the satisfaction of creating something functional and sustainable. The process itself can be an educational and rewarding experience for individuals of all ages, sparking curiosity and innovation. This essay aims to guide you through the process of building your own wind turbine, providing clear and concise instructions that are accessible to even novice DIY enthusiasts. By breaking down the project into manageable steps, we will demystify the science behind wind energy conversion and empower you to harness the power of the wind to generate clean electricity at home. Let's embark on this journey of discovery and innovation together, embracing the spirit of DIY and contributing to a greener and more sustainable future. Before embarking on the construction of your wind turbine, it's essential to gather all the necessary tools and materials. This meticulous preparation will streamline the building process and ensure that you have everything on hand when you need it. The beauty of this DIY project lies in its utilization of common household items and readily available components, making it both accessible and budget-friendly. For the blades of your wind turbine, which will capture the wind's kinetic energy, you can repurpose materials like plastic bottles or sturdy cardboard. These materials are lightweight yet durable enough to withstand the forces exerted by the wind. A small DC motor salvaged from an old toy or appliance will serve as the generator, converting the rotational energy from the blades into electrical energy. A simple axle can be fashioned from a sturdy straw and a paperclip, providing a smooth axis of rotation for the blades. To provide a stable base for your wind turbine, you'll need a solid foundation. A wooden board or a piece of plywood will suffice, ensuring that your turbine remains upright and secure, even in windy conditions. Copper wire, an excellent conductor of electricity, will be used to create the generator coils, harnessing the electrical current generated by the spinning motor. Finally, you'll need a battery and a charge controller to store the electricity generated by your wind turbine. These components are essential for regulating the flow of electricity and ensuring that your battery is charged safely and efficiently. With these materials and tools at your disposal, you're ready to begin the exciting journey of building your own wind turbine. The blades of your wind turbine are arguably the most crucial component, as they are responsible for capturing the wind's energy and setting the turbine in motion. Crafting efficient blades is essential for maximizing energy generation and ensuring the optimal performance of your DIY project. The choice of material and the design of the blades play a significant role in their effectiveness. For this project, we will focus on constructing blades from recycled plastic bottles, a readily available and eco-friendly option. The curved shape of plastic bottles lends itself well to creating aerodynamic blades that can effectively catch the wind. Using a sharp utility knife or scissors, carefully cut the bottles into 3 or 4 equally spaced blades. To enhance the wind-catching ability of your blades, you can experiment with different shapes and angles. A slightly curved blade profile similar to the airfoil design of airplane wings can create lift and improve the turbine's rotation. You can achieve this by gently twisting the blades along their length, creating a subtle curvature. Once you've cut and shaped your blades, it's important to ensure that they are balanced. An unbalanced rotor can cause vibrations and reduce the efficiency of your wind turbine. To check for balance, you can create a simple balancing jig by placing a pencil or a nail horizontally on a flat surface. Place the center of your blade assembly on the pencil and observe if it remains level. If one side dips lower than the other, you'll need to adjust the blades until you achieve a balanced configuration. Now that you have crafted your wind turbine blades, it's time to assemble the hub and generator, the heart of your energy generating system. This step involves connecting the blades to the DC motor, which will act as a generator, converting the rotational energy from the blades into electrical energy. Begin by creating a hub, a central component that connects the blades to the motor shaft. You can use a variety of materials for the hub, such as a small plastic lid, a piece of wood, or even a section of PVC pipe. The key is to choose a material that is sturdy enough to withstand the forces exerted by the rotating blades. Drill a hole in the center of the hub that is slightly larger than the diameter of the motor shaft. This will allow the hub to rotate freely on the shaft. Next, attach the blades to the hub using strong adhesive or screws. Ensure that the blades are evenly spaced around the hub and securely fastened to prevent any mishaps during operation. With the blades securely attached to the hub, it's time to connect the hub to the DC motor. Slide the hub onto the motor shaft, ensuring that it rotates smoothly without any resistance. You can use a small washer or a piece of tape to secure the hub to the shaft and prevent it from slipping. Alright, now that we have all our materials ready, it's time to construct a sturdy support structure. This is crucial because the stability of your wind turbine depends on it. Make sure to follow the guidelines and double-check all connections to ensure safety and durability. Remember, a strong foundation will lead to efficient energy generation. Next, we move on to wiring your wind turbine for energy generation. This step involves connecting the turbine to your home's electrical system. Carefully follow the wiring diagram provided with your turbine kit. If you're not confident in your electrical skills, it's best to consult a professional. Safety first, always. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some important precautions for a successful project. Always wear protective gear when handling tools and equipment. Regularly inspect your turbine and support structure for wear and tear. And of course, stay informed about local regulations and permits related to wind energy installations. Congratulations! You've taken a significant step towards embracing clean energy and DIY empowerment. Not only are you contributing to a sustainable future, but you're also gaining valuable skills. Keep exploring and innovating, and remember, every small step counts in our journey towards a greener planet.